Okay, so today we are going to discuss about how to write a ladder program using Automation Studio. Okay, so this is the ladder program that what we are going to discuss. So this is normally open switches, that is normally open switches whenever we are going to press these two buttons, that is switch PB1 and PB2, both if you press it will activate output. Okay, so this is a ladder program when two switches normally open and both have to be closed. Oh, okay, so let us start this thing. So when you start with the Automation Studio, first of all you need to make sure that your library is open. This is a library palette, and here we need to select the first components. Okay, so we may select from IEC. Just you can see this is a ladder rung. Okay, and then we can have the contacts, these two contacts. Normally open contact one and another one is required here, and we can go for a coil. So this is a coil, this is for output. Okay. So now let us insert the PLC card. So PLC card input and PLC card output, right? So you can just make it zoom component all, and here we can see that. Okay. Next, we have to insert all the components, that is first is power supply, and then we have common volt, because here also we require, that's why I can take 2 times. This is also, and then we can go for push button, normally open PB1. So I can write PB1. Scroll lock is there. Okay, PB1. Okay, another one is required, PB2. Okay, right? So next we can see that now let us try to connect these. So now let us, this we will connect. This is PV1, we are connecting to input 0, and PV2 we are connecting to input 1. Okay, now this is, we can connect like this. Okay, so now this is, we have to take this, these two will be taking to okay. So this is the voltage, you can see this, and this is common only get connected. Okay, now now this links we have to make, that is these two input, double click here and we have to link to input 0, input 0, link it, then close.
Double
Okay,
click, sir.
here also we have to double click and then link input 1. So this is what we have input 1 now, link it. Okay, so these two has been connected to this and this, and then we have to go to output. Okay, so this is what output, and this output is connected to 0, link, close, and here we have to connect to this output also. Here we need to take a coil. Okay, so this, okay, and here we have to use a output component. This coil we can use, this is a coil. Okay, so for this we can write it as a motor. Okay, now connect this motor to this. Okay, now this we have already created. Now let us see, we can run this. This is
Link.
this motor is connected. Now let us run this. This is, and this one is. Okay, so now it is activated. When both the input is activated, you will get output. So this is what an AND operation. So now this we will connect with the electrical connections. Right, here you can see electrical components. So we need to get a neutral, power source.
L1, sir.
L1 is required, then we require a neutral. Okay, then we required the
Motor.
output component, single phase motor. Okay, and the motor. Okay, and here we need to use normally open contact coil. Okay, so let's connect this, and
Sir,
this is
L1.
connected to L. Next this will be connected to this. Okay, now this normal M1 contact coil has to connect to your motor. Okay, link it and close. Right, now activate this. If you can see that this is also open, and now you can see this is a running. Okay, so this is how we can work with the automation studio. Is it clear?
Okay.
Huh? So in the same way, we can go for the next experiment. Only change what we can do is just here latching has been done, right? So what we have to do, we can just disconnect this and then bring it to down. Right? I will connect to this to second ladder rung. Now we can do a latching over here, and then you connect this. Okay, so here what will happen, this will be OR operations, right? Previous what we have done, AND operation, when both input is connected, right? So like Okay. Now I will run. Here we can press any one, you will get a output. You can see this, right? I have pressed only PB2, right? If you press instead of PB2, suppose this is pressed, that you will also get. If you press both, you will get output. So this is how you can work out with the and or operation using ladder program. Okay.